British author, novelist, and writer of the 20th century, George Orwell said, "The very concept of objective truth is fading out of the world. Lies will pass into history," meaning objectivity is actually being systematically erased from societies as well as from the hearts, minds, and souls and educations of daily lives of the people in one way or another, because the objective truth can be the representation of a direct danger and threat to the very existence and survival and progress of the modern systems and the other dangerous organizations that are fundamentally founded upon lies, manipulations, deceptions, exploitations, controls, and subjugations of each and every one, as well as of their thinking and character and truth in one way or another. So everything basically is trying to bend us and to basically make us subdue and submit to the entire external system that basically combines and encompasses society, education, religion, culture, and the other mechanisms and organizations of which we are parts, and in the midst of which we are living with anxiety, fear, depression, and other phobias of being ultimately overwhelmed and overpowered by these all external systems, arbitrary authorities, and authoritarian powers in one way or another, because all these are man-made creations and therefore they are dangerous and reckless and irresponsible in one way or another. And the very concept, idea, and knowledge of objectivity as well as objective truth is now being erased, and it has been erased systematically from the world by the modern system through the utilization of propaganda, media, news channels, and also by the use of modern education and religion and culture that promotes subjective suffering and pain and complexity and complications in one's lives in what as much as possible. So the system tells us as much as we're able to endure suffering and are willing to welcome external chaos and survival and work for the system, the more prosperity, growth, learning, and achievement we're going to achieve and receive in our lives, when in reality the opposite is the case. We can only achieve enlightenment and individual character, morality, integrity, and obviously personal freedom, individuality, and authenticity through our own development and prioritization and cultivation of morality, virtue, and excellence and values, and not through external